Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong new moon in Virgo ngayong September 15, 2023 at 9:39 a.m. Philippine Standard Time. So, if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng new moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan. And new moon is also a good time to manifest, no? So, kung ano yung mga desires nyo, mga gusto nyong simulan. Because new moon is about new beginnings. Ayan. So, ang pinaka-tema ng New Moon in Virgo is learning new techniques. Mga bagong kaalaman na makakapagpaunlad ng inyong buhay. So, you might be engaging in learning a new skill, a new abilities, no? Or meron kang i-discover about yourself na kaya mo palang gawin. So, ang opportunities for you rito is how are you going to take practical actions towards your goals. Kasi, di ba, minsan, nagsiset tayo ng standards or nagsiset tayo ng goal na ang hirap i-achieve. So, ang ending, hindi natin natutupad, napofrustrate kasi tayo. So, for some of you, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng adjustment doon sa goals na sinet ninyo. Okay lang yung one step at a time, diba? At least you are one step closer to your goal. At least umaabante. Kesa napofrustrate ka, tas nasa stuck ka lang. So, you are going to reassess your situation. Kung ito ba ay realistic, practical ba to? Is this going to work for you? Ganon. So, maaring meron ka ring babaguhin. And also, another opportunity is fixing issues from the past. So, kung dati meron kang ipinagpapaliban gawin or gawa ng solusyon, gawa ng paraan, ngayong new moon, you will finally make things work for that. No? Makakaisip ka na ng solusyon, ideas para maayos na yon. And mga goals nyo naman is how to create stronger boundaries. Setting boundaries. Kasi minsan, di ba, we tend to allow others to take advantage of our vulnerability or take advantage of our kindness. So, for some of you, you will learn how to say no. Na kapag ayaw nyo, wag nyong i-pursue. Kasi maaring you are sending a different message na magkaroon lang kayo ng miscommunication, misunderstanding kasi akala niya gusto mo, pero ang totoo, ayaw mo pala. And eventually, it will show na ayaw mo, tapos ma-offend mo rin yung taong yun later on. So, mas maganda na maging honest ka na. Onset pa lang. And another way to achieve your goals is to cope with unexpected change. May mga bagay na hindi natin kontrolado. Halimbawa, nagplano ka na tapos yung plano ng iba is magbabago. Halimbawa, nagplano kayo. Ito yung plano nyo together. And then ikaw, set ka na yun ang gagawin nyo. And then this person changed this person's mind. Nagbago isip niya. So, anong gagawin mo, diba? O ngayon, you will cope with unexpected changes. Kasi, para makaiwas ka rin sa mga frustration, ganon, at least prepared ka kung how are you going to react dun sa mga unexpected changes na yon. So, for you, Cancer, new moon is in your 3rd house, which is your communication, your thinking, your community, your learning, your siblings. So, I think for some of you, you may be spending more time sa mga kapatid mo kung may kapatid ka, or learning. So, maaring meron kang pag-aaralan na talagang you will spend a lot of your time dito. Para alam mo yung mag-o-obsess ka sa isang interesting na idea or topic sa buhay mo. And Mercury is also here, which is in retrograde. You might experience some delays doon sa mga inaasikaso mo, like for example, papers, documents, some processes na kailangan mo pagdaanan. But ang importante is you stay calm and iwasan mo magpa-frustrate kasi baka pag na-frustrate ka, hindi mo na matuloy yan or biglang hindi mo na lang gawin. So, kung talagang gusto mo yan, then enjoy the process. Okay? Meron tong opposition sa 9th house, which is about your higher learning. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring, magdadagdag talaga kayo ng kaalaman. Example, graduate ka na ng bachelor's degree, and you feel like parang you want to expand your knowledge. Gusto mo na nasa nasa isang institution na traditional setup. So, maaring mag-enroll ka ng master's degree or doctorate's degree para to further your learning. Maaring yan yung pangarap mo talaga. So, ngayon, magkakaroon ka na ng opportunity dyan. However, pwede kang magkaroon ng frustration dito. Kasi nga dun sa mga delays na pwede mong ma-experience, pwedeng related sa paperworks na kailangan mong asikasuhin. And then, meron tong positive aspects sa Jupiter, Uranus, and Taurus in the 11th house, which is community. So, I think you will be connecting more with a lot of people. May mga new friends, new groups, new clubs na masasamahan ka na kung saan mas may enjoy mo yung pakikipag-connect sa ibang tao. So, may mga bagong friends na makikilala ka. And also, dun sa mga naghahanap ng relationship dyan, posible na makahanap kayo ng romantic partner dito sa community na to. Yung mga bagong friends na makikilala mo. This is Pluto in Capricorn in the 7th house. Some of you maaring karmic yung relationship na to. You are meant to meet this person to teach you a lesson. Oo. Yung iba naman, pwedeng business partnership yung makikilala mo. So, halimbawa, dadami yung connections mo, friends mo, and then itong mga to, tutulungan ka na mag-expand. And you might enter a business or merong tutulong sa'yo sa career mo. meron kang I'm seeing some of you na tatanggihan na opportunity and eventually posibleng pagsisihan mo dahil missed opportunity pala yun sa'yo. So, pag-iisipang maigi yung mga tinatanggihan nyo kasi baka yun pala yung magdadala sa inyo sa success or meron pala tong positibong pagbabagong ibibigay sa buhay nyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.